All right, good morning, second grade, and welcome back to another week of remote learning. Today is Monday, April 6th. It is still week one in your packet because we've decided to break this packet into 2 days for each lesson. And so we should be on day 3, and we had started day 3's work last week. If you remember, we did that work with welded sounds last week and closed syllables and closed syllable exceptions and trick words. We had a lot going on last week as we reviewed. And so the only part we didn't get to last week in 3A, our first portion of it, was our dictation, where we're going to be doing some words for you. So go ahead and make sure you have this page out. Go ahead and put your first name, last name, student number, all that good stuff. Write today's date, which is April 6th. It is a Monday on our week, and so we are going to get started. Again, I'm going to read the words. You're going to write them down for me, okay? And do the best you can. Last week, we did a lot of work on marking our words. So when we're all done with going over the words, you can go ahead and mark your words. Remember, you do not mark trick words because they don't follow the phonics rules. So, and you don't mark the sentence. So make sure you're just marking review words and current words. So here we go. Everyone put your finger on number 1. The word is drink. He was very thirsty after his walk and needed a drink. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need me to go slower. Put your finger on number 2. Your word is spank. I hope they will not have to spank that child. Spank. Number 3 is the word cramp. He had a cramp in his leg after he ran. Put your finger on number 4. Number 4 is sprint. He will sprint all the way to the finish line. Now we're going to go ahead and do some of our current words. These were words that were in our unit 3 that we worked on, and so they will follow some of those rules. So here we go. Number 1 is the word scold. I hope the parent doesn't have to scold the child for not doing their homework. Number 2, wild. Do not touch that wild animal. Wild. Number 3, post. I will post this video when I am done giving you this assignment. Number 4, colt. We saw the colt out in the field. Colt. Number 5 is the word find. I will find the egg when I'm searching for it. Find. Remember, at any time you can pause and then work on your work and then come back and listen to me. So make sure you're working at your own pace. Okay, we're going to go down and try those trick words. Now, again, these are words that do not follow our phonics rules, but words that are common that we need to know. Your first word is the word done. Are you done with part 1 and 2 in your packet? Done. Number 2, goes. Time goes by very quickly. Goes. Number 3, pretty. She was very pretty and had a nice personality. Pretty. Number 4, shall. We shall overcome. Shall. Number 5, pull. He will pull that wagon in the backyard. Again, at any time you can pause, slow it down, and write your words. Okay. Again, our last one is the sentence down below. So make sure when you're writing a sentence, you start with capital letters, end with periods, and make sure that you're doing your correct letter formation. So here's our sentence. Jess has a bad cold. Jess has a bad cold. One last time. Jess has a bad cold. All right. If parents can go ahead and check and make sure that their child has spelled their words correctly, added the correct marking, making sure those sentences have capital letters, periods at the end, and make sure that they're forming their letters and making spacing in between their words. And I'm sure you guys are doing a great job. All right, that does it today for phonics, and we will meet with you tomorrow as we'll move on to day 4. So thank you for checking in. We'll see you tomorrow.